Intro. Hello everyone, and welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving deep into a topic that is crucial for anyone interested in artificial intelligence and machine learning: building a scalable AI model deployment pipeline. As the demand for AI solutions continues to grow across various industries, understanding how to transition from development to production effectively becomes paramount. In this video, we will explore the entire process of deploying AI models, focusing on best practices, tools, and methodologies to create a pipeline that scales efficiently. Whether you are a data scientist, a machine learning engineer, or a tech enthusiast, this guide will help you understand how to make your AI projects not just function in a test environment but thrive in real-world applications. Part 1: Understanding the AI Model Deployment Pipeline. First, let's establish what we mean by an AI model deployment pipeline. At its core, this is a series of steps that takes your machine learning model from an experimental stage, where you've trained and tested it locally, to a production stage, where it can serve predictions to end users. The pipeline typically involves several key stages: data ingestion, model training, validation, deployment, monitoring, and maintenance. Each of these components plays a critical role in ensuring that your AI model is not only functional but also reliable, efficient, and capable of scaling with the demands of your applications. Part 2: Stage 1: Data Ingestion and Pre-Processing. The first stage of our pipeline is data ingestion and pre-processing. It all begins with data, the lifeblood of any AI model. To build an effective model, you need a substantial amount of high-quality data, and that often means integrating data from multiple sources. In this phase, you might use tools like Apache Kafka or Apache NiFi to handle real-time data streams or batch data processing. Data lakes or warehouses, like Amazon S3 or Google BigQuery, can serve as storage solutions where raw data can be easily accessed for transformation and analysis. Once data is ingested, pre-processing is essential. This stage includes cleaning the data by handling missing values, removing duplicates, and normalizing or standardizing the dataset. Libraries like Pandas or Dask in Python can be incredibly helpful here. Proper pre-processing not only enhances model performance but also ensures that the model is robust against various data distributions it might face in the real world. Part 3: Stage 2: Model Training and Validation. Moving on to the next stage, we have model training and validation. Once we have pre-processed data, we can move to training our machine learning models. This is where the magic happens. Depending on your requirements, you might choose to implement various algorithms, such as decision trees, neural networks, or ensemble methods. Frameworks like TensorFlow, PyTorch, or Scikit-learn are invaluable tools in this phase. They provide powerful abstractions for building, training, and validating models. The training process involves splitting your data into training and validation sets, allowing you to assess the model's performance and avoid overfitting. To ensure that your model is not only accurate but also generalizable, you might implement cross-validation techniques. Furthermore, hyperparameter tuning can greatly enhance your model's performance. Tools like Optuna or HyperOpt can help automate this process, allowing you to test various configurations efficiently. Once you've trained your model, it's crucial to evaluate it using metrics relevant to your specific problem, such as accuracy, precision, recall, or F1 score. This evaluation will guide your decisions on whether your model is ready for deployment or needs further improvements. Part 4: Stage 3: Model Deployment. Now, we enter the deployment phase, the moment all your hard work pays off. Deploying an AI model involves making it accessible to users or other applications. The deployment method often depends on the context in which your model will be used. There are several deployment strategies to consider. You can opt for batch processing, where predictions are made on a set schedule, or real-time inference, where the model responds immediately to incoming requests. For real-time applications, tools like TensorFlow Serving or NVIDIA Triton Inference Server can be used to serve your model efficiently. Containerization is another best practice in deploying AI models. By using Docker, you can encapsulate your model and its dependencies into a single container. This not only simplifies deployments but also enhances portability across different environments. Kubernetes can further help you manage these containers, enabling you to scale and orchestrate your deployments seamlessly. In addition to traditional cloud platforms like AWS, Azure, or Google Cloud, there are specialized platforms for deploying AI models, such as Hugging Face Model Hub or Algorithmia. These platforms provide infrastructure and tools specifically designed to streamline the deployment process. Part 5, Stage 4, Monitoring and Maintenance. Once your model is live, the work isn't done. This brings us to the monitoring and maintenance stage. Once deployed, your AI model needs continuous monitoring to ensure it performs as expected over time. Performance metrics should be tracked in real time. This includes not only traditional accuracy measures but also latency, throughput, and resource utilization. Tools like Prometheus or Grafana can help you visualize these metrics, making it easier to spot performance degradation or anomalies. In addition to performance monitoring, you must also keep an eye on data drift and model drift. Data drift occurs when the input data distribution changes over time, while model drift refers to a decline in model performance as the underlying patterns in the data evolve. To combat these issues, you might implement retraining strategies. Automated retraining pipelines can be set up to periodically re-evaluate your model against new data, allowing you to refresh and improve your model continually. Tools like MLflow or Kubeflow can assist in orchestrating these retraining sessions and managing model versions efficiently. Part 6, Scalability Considerations. Scalability is at the heart of building an effective AI model deployment pipeline. As your user base grows or as your data volume increases, your infrastructure should be able to handle the load without significant performance bottlenecks. One way to ensure scalability is through load balancing. By distributing incoming requests across multiple instances of your model, you can enhance response times and reliability. Cloud providers offer various load balancing solutions that can automatically scale resources based on demand. Additionally, consider serverless architectures for specific components of your pipeline. Serverless computing allows you to run code in response to events without provisioning or managing servers. This can significantly reduce costs and complexity while providing the elasticity to scale as needed. Another important aspect is to adopt a microservices architecture. By breaking your application into smaller, independent services, it becomes easier to scale individual components separately. Each microservice can be optimized and managed based on specific requirements, allowing for a more efficient use of resources. Part 7, Best Practices. As we wrap up our discussion, let's review some best practices to keep in mind when building your AI model deployment pipeline. 1. Version control. Use version control for your code, datasets, and models. This ensures that you can easily revert changes or track the evolution of your project over time. 2. Automate where possible. Implement CI/CD, continuous integration and continuous deployment, practices. This allows for automated testing and deployment of your models, reducing the chances of human error. 3. Documentation. Maintain thorough documentation throughout your pipeline. This helps in onboarding new team members and provides a clear reference for troubleshooting issues that may arise. 4. Security. Don't overlook security. Ensure that your models and data are properly secured, and consider implementing authentication and authorization measures to protect sensitive information. 5. Feedback loops. Establish feedback loops with end users to gather insights on model performance. This can be invaluable in continuously improving your model and addressing real-world challenges. Conclusion. In conclusion, building a scalable AI model deployment pipeline is an intricate but essential task for anyone looking to make their AI projects successful in production. By following the stages we discussed, from data ingestion to deployment, monitoring, and maintenance, you can create a system that not only works but also adapts and grows with your needs. With the right tools, practices, and strategies, your AI models can transition seamlessly from development to production, providing valuable insights and solutions in real time. We hope this video has given you a comprehensive overview of building a scalable deployment pipeline and inspired you to implement these practices in your own projects. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. And as always, feel free to leave your questions or comments below. We'd love to hear your thoughts on deploying AI models and any experiences you'd like to share. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.